Helo, croeso i'r cwrs mynediad. Welcome to the mynediad course. Dwi eisiau helpu efo uned 1. I want to help with unit 1. In uned 1, we will be learning how to start a conversation in Gymraeg. I will ask you to say things out loud during these videos, so don't be shy and give it a go. Let me introduce myself. Eirian dwi. Eirian dwi. In English, you say, I'm Eirian. In Welsh, we say the name first. Eirian dwi. Let's practice. Ymarfer. I'll give you a name and you put it in a sentence. John. John dwi. Sian. Sian dwi. Sean. Sean dwi. Mair. Mair dwi. Now, you tell me who you are after 3. 1, 2, 3. Croeso. Welcome. When we are learning a new language, it's important to use the little building blocks to make new sentences. Let's play around with dwi. You'll be surprised how much you will be able to say and understand just after learning uned 1. Okay, right. Let's start with the verb noun gwylio, to watch. Gwylio. And you? Gwylio. Dwi'n gwylio. I watch, or I'm watching. Dwi'n gwylio. Okay? Dwi'n gwylio Gavin a Stacey. Okay? Now, you put these words into a sentence. Okay? Coronation Street. Dwi'n gwylio Coronation Street. Pobl y cwm. Dwi'n gwylio pobl y cwm. S4C. Dwi'n gwylio S4C. Next, the verb darllen, to read. Darllen. Now, listen and repeat. Dwi'n darllen Harry Potter. Now you try and put this into a sentence. Lord of the Rings. Dwi'n darllen Lord of the Rings. War and Peace. Dwi'n darllen War and Peace. Thomas the Tank. Dwi'n darllen Thomas the Tank. But the verb that is most important for you to learn now is dysgu, to learn. So, dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Repeat. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Say it loud and proud. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. You may have noticed that some of the questions in uned 1 look different but mean the same, like sut wyt ti and sut dach chi. Well, ti and chi are like tu and vous in French and other languages. So ti is always singular, one person, a friend, someone you know, or a child. Chi can be singular, formal, but is always the plural. So Let's practice some questions from uned 1. I'll ask and you answer. Barod? Ready? Pwy da chi? Sut da chi? Lle da chi'n byw? Right, you ask me. I'll give you a little prompt. Eirian. Eirian dwi. Da iawn, diolch. Yr Wyddgrug. Yr Wyddgrug. Uned 1 contains a lot of information about pronunciation, so please look carefully and listen at our online resources on www.learnwelsh.cymru. Okay, but we will look at one special element. Okay, stress, pwyslais. The stress is almost always in Welsh on the last syllable but one. Listen, gwrandwch. Proffesiynol, nofelydd, seicolegydd. Right, we'll have a go. I'll say the place name, the word, and you say it after me and we'll clap on the stress. Caernarfon. Caernarfon. Prestatyn. Prestatyn. Llangollen. Llangollen. Aberystwyth. Aberystwyth. Da iawn chi. I hope that helped with uned 1. So check out our online resources on www.learnwelsh.cymru and look at uned 1 in the book and the course book Cwrs Mynediad. Pob hwyl i chi. Hwyl fawr.